Only a month after the Mi 9 was launched here in Malaysia, Xiaomi is bringing in the SE variant to our shores. The SE version is essentially a more affordable version of the Mi 9 with modest hardware. So let's check out the differences between the Xiaomi Mi 9 and the Mi 9 SE. At first glance, the SE version looks nearly identical to the Mi 9, with the obvious difference being its size. It has a 5.97-inch Full HD Plus Amoled display. There's still a teardrop notch that houses a single selfie camera, and it still features a triple camera setup at the back. On the back of the phone, it features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and there is no fingerprint sensor inside. That's because it has an in-display one. Similar to the Mi 9, the Mi 9 SE houses 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of non-expandable storage. The Mi 9 SE also has a smaller 3070 mAh cell that has support for 18W fast charging. As for the cameras, the 48MP main shooter in the Mi 9 still remains in the Mi 9 SE. The other two cameras, however, receive a slight downgrade. The ultra-wide camera has 13MP, while the telephoto has 8. The front-facing camera is still a 20MP shooter that resides in said teardrop notch. But just how much more affordable is the Mi 9 SE? The SE starts at $1299 for the 64GB version, while the 128GB version goes for $1499, and the Mi 9 goes for $1699 and $1999 ringgit respectively. Those who crave for higher end specs should definitely go for the standard Mi 9, as you're not really paying that much more for a flagship device. That being said, the Mi 9 SE still packs a lot for the price, especially with an AMOLED display, an in-display fingerprint sensor, as well as a triple camera setup. So let us know which device would you guys pick, the Mi 9 or the Mi 9 SE. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.